Achilles tendinosis. Case study. A 35-year-old male was referred by his orthopedic physician to an outpatient physical therapy clinic with a diagnosis of Achilles tendinosis on his right side. He has experienced a gradual increase in pain for 2 years. His worsening symptoms have limited his ability to run or play basketball. Previous therapy, non-steroid anti-inflammatory, ultrasound, manual therapy, custom orthotics have failed to improve symptoms. His orthopedist had recommended surgery. However, the patient would like to try physical therapy again. Firstly, we will tell about anatomy of Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon is the largest and longest tendon in the body. Also connect the calf muscle to the heel bone and facilitate walking by helping to lift the heel off the ground. And the next problem of this case is symptoms have limited his ability to run or play basketball. According to our early point, this case also called chronic condition because his symptoms gradual in pain for 2 years usually occur after activity. Achilles tendinosis usually caused by a sudden increase of repetitive activity that put too much stress on the tendon too quickly. This actually means inflammation of tendon, but inflammation is rarely the cause of tendon pain and limit range of motion because of the fibrous tissue around and below tendon.
What's modality that appropriate for this case? Microwave diathermy. Microwave diathermy is the modality that uses high-frequency electromagnetic waves to heat tissue by conversion, used to heat in areas of body that are covered with low subcutaneous fat. It means fat is the obstacle for penetration of heat in microwave diathermy. For example, tendon of foot, hand, and wrist. Before use of microwave diathermy, you must know the contraindication for avoid risk factors, including over-malignant tissue, over-ischemic tissue, metal implant, pacemaker, overgrowing bone, male gonad, hemorrhage, impaired thermal sensation, and recent radiotherapy. Precaution for the use of microwave diathermy, including avoid the presence of metal. The eye may cause cataract, obesity, burn, high incidence of miscarriages. From case, we choose the microwave diathermy for treatment because, firstly, Achilles tendon is the tendon of foot with low subcutaneous fat, can cause the better penetration of microwave diathermy. And next, microwave diathermy, suitable for chronic condition, can enhance recovery from injury and increase extensibility of tissue. Physiologic response of microwave diathermy. There are two parts. The first is thermal effect. It can increase vasodilation, increase venous lymphatic drainage, increase metabolism, muscle relaxation, decrease analgesia, change in physical property of tissue. And the second is non-thermal effect, repolarization of damaged cells. From this chart, firstly, look at the microwave diathermy thermal effect. Can break down the fiber tissue by changing physical property of tissue, can cause decrease of limit of ROM, and then it can decrease pain by decrease analgesia and also decrease of inflammation of Achilles tendinosis. What are the other modalities that can use in this case? Laser. Laser is the superficial heat that can penetrate into less than 1 centimeter, but the thickness of Achilles tendon isn't suitable for use because of the purpose of treatment is change in physical property of tissue, including soft tissue below tendon and tendon. Thus, it must use deep heat that can penetrate into 3 to 4 centimeters for cause the better therapeutic. And then shockwave. Shockwave is the deep heat modality. It penetrates into bioacoustic wave with high pressure amplitude. It isn't suitable use in this case because it may be damage to Achilles tendon and other structure within ankle such as blood vessel and nerve. Target radiofrequency therapy is the deep heat modality penetrate into by radiofrequency current. It can supply of the oxygen and nutrients for healing and pain relief. It isn't appropriate for treatment area in this case because electrode difficulty to use with curved area around Achilles tendinosis. For the better outcome in this case, we will use microwave diathermy combined with stretching exercise. The benefits of stretching: improve leg circulation, reduce the risk of injury, improve lower leg flexibility, and improve the range of motion of the ankle.
แก๊สต็อกนิเมียสฮิลดรอปคาร์บสเตรท
Sitting heel rest